Welcome to this presentation of the Presentation Maker. This is a very interesting feature in OpendTect that allows you to save a lot of time. So without further ado, let's start the Presentation Maker, and we're going to grab several images which will be transferred into a PowerPoint session automatically. So we're going to Utilities, Tools, Presentation Maker. I'm giving this a title. Demo Presentation Maker. I'm going to give it a output PPTX demo. And now I have the choice between a blank presentation, or I can use my own custom-made presentation. So I'm using, in this case, my template, and that is a template in PPTX. So it's not a PotX or anything else, it's a PPTX, and here it is. It consists of only two slides. There's a title slide, and then the next slide is the slides in which I have a title and then the image. Now I'm going to prepare my slides, so I'm going to grab this image, and please note that I've put the color bar to the left with the gray background so that I can read the numbers better. And I'm going to add a slide now. This will be my title slide. And sorry, that is the first slide. The title slide will be made automatically with the Demo Presentation Maker as the presentation title. Now note that I have my cursor on this one, so it will copy the inline 263, and it says this is the original seismic. Now I'm going to compare that with a dip-steered filtered version of this, and I'm going to add this slide. I do have the possibility to edit the titles here, but in this case I will just go through my sequence, add the slides that I want to do. And here I'm comparing it with a machine learning filter. This is Ajax. And now I'm going to rank a number of traces randomly. And I'm going to apply a model, a machine learning model, to interpolate the blank traces. This is with RMS scaling. So if I want to compare this, I should compare it with the original filtered data that is also RMS scaled. That's all. I have now grabbed 7 images. I'm going to create my presentation, and I'm going to open it. So here's my presentation. Let's look at it in slide movie. That's the title slide, the first slide, second slide, different machine learning outputs, interpolated data, and that's it. Thank you very much for your attention.